In a pan, take 1 glass milk. Once the milk is warm, add 1 tablespoon powder milk. Mix well so that no lumps are there. Add 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Use any cocoa powder available at the market. Mix well until the powder dissolves. Now add sugar according to your preference. Add 1 teaspoon coffee and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix everything well. Add 50 grams chopped dark chocolate into the milk and mix it until it forms a thick consistency. Now pour it in a jar and garnish it with dark chocolate.